pretty freaking nice one, eh?
Oh man, look at that. It's going to be an amazing sunrise. Really mild out here. It's just awesome. I love it.
I gotta go get my phone plugged in with the guy.
Uh-oh.